Hello everyone, myself K. Bhargavi. I am from 9th class. Today I am going to explain the main part tenses. In the tenses, there are three types: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past tense tells about the completed action before, happened in the before, and present tense tells about what is happening now, and future tense tells about what is going to happen after. So I will be going to explain past tense. In that past tense, there are four types. I will be going to explain simple past tense. Simple past tense tells about the completed action which is fully completed in the past. అంటే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఏదైతే ముందు జరిగిపోయిందో కంప్లీట్ గా దాన్ని సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ అని అంటారు. సో ది స్ట్రక్చర్, పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఈస్ subject plus V2 plus object. For all pronouns, we use only V2. The pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For all pronouns, we only use V2 form. And the negative structure, subject plus didn't, V1 plus object. The clue words. With the help of these clue words, we can easily identify the example is in which tense. The clue words are yesterday, last week, last month, etc. For what is happening before, we can easily identify the simple past tense. The example, with the help of structure, we can write the example. He drank juice yesterday. So, the structure, this is subject, drank V2, and this is object, this is the clue word. So, we wrote yesterday clue word like this. So, this is all about the simple past tense. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. I am Renasri from class 9. Today I am going to explain about past continuous tense, the second type of the past time. Past continuous tense is also known as the past progressive tense. It refers to a continuous action or state that was happening in the same time at the past. అంటే ఈ టైంకి పర్టికులర్గా పాస్ట్ టైంలో ఇదే టైంకి ఏం జరుగుతుంది, ఏ యాక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది అని చెప్పడమే పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. The positive structure for the past continuous tense was subject plus was by verb V4 plus object. The negative structure for the past continuous tense was subject plus were not by was not V4 plus object. The pronoun changing for the was and were I, he, she, it was, and we, you, they were. The clue words for the past continuous tense were at this time yesterday, at this time last year, and so on. The example for the past continuous tense was same like simple past. We use at this time for clue words. So according to this structure, we was subject, where was this, and preparing was V4.
Why use were here?
Because we have we as per the pronoun changing. For exams was the object and this was a clue word. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, I am Sai Meghna. Third one is today I am going to tell about past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? Tense is to talk about action that were completed in the past before time. Past perfect tense positive structure. Subject plus had V3 plus object. Negative structure. Clue words. By this time yesterday. By this time last week. Example. Now I am saying clue words. For all pronouns had. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For all pronouns we will use had. Example. Had eaten chocolates. By this time yesterday. According to the structure, here the subject is I and had. Here V3 is eaten, chocolate is object, and this is clue word. Now I am saying the past perfect tense meaning in Telugu. Past perfect tense means in Telugu పాస్ట్ లో ఒకటి అనుకున్న విషయాన్ని మనం అనుకున్న టైం కన్నా ముందే అయిపోతే దాన్ని పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ అని మనం అంటాం అన్నమాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Charishma. I am from 9th class. Today I would like to explain about past perfect continuous. In past, this is fourth tense. Past continuous tense means the action which is started in the past and stopped in the past for a long time. In Telugu, మనం ఒక పనిని పాస్ట్ లో అనుకొని కొంత టైం తర్వాత పాస్ట్ లో అవ్వడం స్ట్రక్చర్ పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ జి ప్లస్ had been V4 plus object. Negative structure subject plus clue words is 2. This is the clue words of this tense. Example is I had been from 4 to 5. This is the subject. This is had been V4 object clue words. Thank you. According to structure, subject had been V4 object clue words. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself G Mansa. I am from 9th class. Now I am telling about present time in first one, simple present. It tells about daily habits, environmental truths, proverbs, ఫీలింగ్స్, ఎమోషన్స్ ఎక్సెట్రా. ఇన్ తెలుగు మనం రోజు చేస్తున్న పనుల గురించి, మన యొక్క ఎమోషన్స్ గురించి, మన యొక్క ఫీలింగ్స్ గురించి చెప్పేదాన్నే సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ అంటాం. దీని యొక్క దిట్స్ పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇస్ subject plus V1 by V5 plus object. Its clue words are everyday, etc. Examples: health is wealth. Proverb: the sun rises in the east. Universal fact. I hate you. Emotions. feelings. I go to temple every day. Pronoun changings. I, we, you, the V1. I, subject. Go, V1. Temple, object. Everyday, clue word. When this type of words come in a sentence, it indicates a simple present. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself as Harika. I am from 9th class. Today I would explain about present continuous tense in present time, second one.
Very good.
It tells about the tense which indicates the action or condition happening now. In Telugu మన కళ్ళ ముందు జరిగే పనులన్నీ present continuous tense అని అంటాము. Present continuous tense positive structure, subject plus am, is, are, V4 plus object. Negative structure, subject plus pronoun changing. I am, he, she, it, is, we, you, they, are. Clue words. At present. Present continuous tense examples. I, subject, am according to the structure, explaining, V4, grammar, object, now clue word. Type of clue word come in a sentence means that we say that present continuous tense. I, subject, am according to the structure. Here he will come means is will come. Explaining, V4, grammar, object, now clue word. Thank you.
Myself as Ruhi Aksha. Now I am going to explain about present perfect tense, which is the third part of the present time. Present perfect tense can be used in many different situations like it can be used in finished actions, unfinished actions, multiple actions for different times, life experiences, recently completed actions. ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ అనేది ఇలాంటి వాటిలో చాలా చాలా సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎలా అంటే రీసెంట్ గా కంప్లీట్ అయిన యాక్షన్స్ గురించి, లైఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ గురించి, లేకపోతే ఒక యాక్షన్ చాలా సార్లు మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ జరిగితే అలాంటి వాటిలో ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫర్ ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ ఈజ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ హ్యాస్ బై హ్యావ్ V3 plus object. Negative structure. Pronoun changings are for I, we, you, they. For I, we, you, they, we use have. For he, she, it, we use has. The clue words are. If these clue words can be in any sentence, then the sentence is said to be in present perfect tense. The example for life experience is, have you ever eaten sushi before? This sentence talks about life experiences, so it is in present perfect tense. Recently completed actions. I have just completed my assignment. The actions, the example is, she has lost her wallet. Unfinished actions, I have lived in Dubai since 5 years. I have solved this problem several times. I wrote this example with the help of this structure. The subject have explained is V3, present perfect tense is object, and just now is the clue word. This type of clue words comes in any sentence, then that sentence is present perfect tense.
Good morning everyone, myself Yoshita from class 9. Today I am going to explain about present perfect continuous tense, the fourth tense in present time. It tells about the action which started in the past and still continuing in the present time. ఏదైతే యాక్షన్ పాస్ట్ లో జరిగిందో ఇంకా ప్రెసెంట్ టైం లో కూడా ఇంకా కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. The positive structure for present perfect, negative structure. These are the positive and negative structures for present perfect continuous. The pronoun changing are I, we, you, they, have been, he, she, it, has been. The clue words for present perfect continuous is since, for, the whole week. These are, if you see these clue words in any sentence, it is present perfect continuous. Example, I have been working in this office since 2019. Here I means subject, have been, we wrote it according to the structure. Working, V for office, object, since is clue word. Object and have been is we wrote according to the structure, and working is V for object, office is object, and since is a clue word. If these type of clue words come in a sentence means we can say that this is a present perfect continuous tense. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Harna. I am from class 9. Today I would explain about first part of the future tense. The first part of the future tense is simple future. The simple future tense are used for an action that will occur in the future. ఒక పనిని ఫ్యూచర్ లో చేస్తే దానిని సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ అంటారు. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో జరిగినవన్నీ సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ కింద వస్తాయి. ద పాస్ట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఈస్ negative structure, pronoun changing of I, we shall, he, she, it, you, they, will. Clue words. Example, this sentence, they is subject, play is V1, cricket is object, next year is clue word. When this type of clue words come in a sentence, we have to say that simple future. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Ashni. I am from 9th class. Today I am explaining about future continuous. Future continuous is the second part of the future tense. Future continuous is also known as the future progressive tense. Future continuous tense is represent of continuous action will happen in the future. ఈ టైంకి రేపు ఏం జరుగుతుందని చెప్పడమే ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్ అని అంటారు. దీని యొక్క పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ negative structure, pronoun changing, I, we shall, he, she, it, you, they, will be. Clue words. At this time,
tomorrow,
etc.
For example, I subject shall be according to the structure going before Hyderabad object at this time next week according to the clue word. When this type of clue words will come in a sentence is also known as the future continuous. Thank you.
Morning to everyone, myself Kirti from 9th class. Today I am going to explain about third part of the future time. The third part of the future time is future perfect. Future perfect means that action that will completed in specific future time is known as future perfect. In Telugu, ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఒక యాక్షన్ పర్టికులర్ టైం కి కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతే దాన్ని ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అంటారు. పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, ప్రొనౌన్ చేంజింగ్ సార్. క్లూ వర్డ్ సార్. You will have delivered the letter by this time tomorrow. You is subject, will have according to the structure. Delivered V3. This letter object. These type of clue words come in any sentence means it is said to be known as a future perfect. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Maithili from class 9. Today I say about future perfect continuous tense. It is the fourth tense in the future. The action starts in the future and ends in the future is known as future perfect continuous. ఒక యాక్షన్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఎండ్ అయితే దాన్ని ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటారు. పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేంజింగ్ ఆర్ I, we, shall have, will have been. Clue words. For example, the subject will have been structure, flying before London object by this time clue words. The subject will have structure, object London by this time tomorrow clue words. Thank you. Clue words come in a sentence called as future perfect continuous tense. Thank you.
Hope you understand the 12 tenses. We explain total 12 tenses. So I explain shortly. So there are 3 times are there. So 3 tenses are there. Past tense, present tense, future tense. So in past time 4 tenses are there. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. In present time simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. In future time 4 tenses. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. సో సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ మీన్స్ కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్, జరిగిపోయిన పనులు సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ అంటారు. దాని ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ ఇస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ V2 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ did not V1 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. సో ఫర్ ఆల్ pronouns we use V2. Example, we went to market. In that sentence, we is subject, V2 is the verb, V2, market is the object. Next, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means action going to happen specific point of time in the past. అంటే past లో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఈ టైం కి ఏం చేస్తున్నాము అని చెప్పేదే పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. సో దీని ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ ఇస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వాస్ బై వర్ ప్లస్ V4 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వాస్ బై వర్ నాట్ V4 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ప్రొనౌన్స్ I, he, she, it was, we, you, they were. So example, so I was teaching grammar at this time yesterday. So like that. So clue words are at this time yesterday, at this time last week, at this time last month, like that. Simple past clue words last week, last month, previous years. Past perfect subject structure for past perfect is subject plus had V3 plus object. So I had completed my homework by this time yesterday. This is the past perfect tense example. So this is the past perfect tense. Next, past perfect continuous tense. Action happening in specific point of time in the past and ended in specific point of time in the past. So past లో జరిగిపోయి past లో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి past లోనే జరిగిపోతే that is called past perfect continuous tense. Structure for past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been V4 plus object. So for all pronouns had been V4. So I had been studying my MA English from 2017 to 2019. Clue words for past perfect continuous tense is from and to. Now present time. In present time also 4 tenses are there. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. So simple present, daily habits, universal truths, proverbs, feelings. These all comes under simple present tense. Structure for simple present tense is subject plus V1 by V5 plus object. Pronoun changing I, we, you, they, V1, he, she, it, V5. So example, health is wealth, old is gold. Some kind of proverbs are comes under simple present tense. I go to market daily. I go to temple daily. I go to library daily. So this type of structure. I is a subject, go is a V1, object is market, like that. So clue words are usually, daily, seldom. This all clue words comes under simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means exactly what is going to happening in front of you, that is called present continuous tense. అంటే మన కళ్ళ ముందు జరుగుతున్న పనులన్నీ కూడా present continuous tense అని అంటారు. So structure for present continuous tense, subject plus am is are V4 plus object. For pronouns I am, he, she, it is, we, they are. So I am teaching now. So I am teaching at this moment. Clue words at this moment, listen, look. These all are clue words comes under present continuous tense. So next one, present perfect tense. This is the most important tense in tenses part. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means our life experiences, recently completed actions. One action repeated several times means this order comes under present perfect tense. Structure for present perfect tense is subject plus have by has V3 plus object. That is positive structure. Negative structure subject plus have by has not V3 plus object. Clue words for just now, for, and this month, this week. These all are clue words comes under present perfect tense. Example, so I have solved this problem many times. I have solved this problem several times. So I have just completed my lunch. I have just completed my lunch. Have you ever eaten sushi before? Subject plus have by has V3 plus object. Next, present perfect continuous tense. Action start in the past and continue in the present. That is called present perfect continuous tense. So example, I have been teaching grammar since 3 o'clock. So action start in the past, still happening in the present. That is called present perfect continuous tense. So clue words for present perfect continuous tense is since and for. Next one, we are going to simple future. Future time, first one, simple future. Simple future means జరగబోయే పనులు, ఫ్యూచర్ లో జరగబోయే పనులు, యాక్షన్ అకరింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్. స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ విల్ బై షెల్ V1 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. I, we, shall, remaining pronouns will. Example, I will go to London tomorrow. So in the sentence, action happening in the future. So like that. So I, we pronouns shall, remaining pronouns will. So same like that, simple past clue words only, yesterday, last week. But here we tells about future timings, tomorrow, next month, next week, like that. Future continuous. Future continuous tense means action going to happening in the specific point of time in the future. Future లో రేపు ఈ టైం ఖచ్చితంగా జరిగే పనుల్ని ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ అని అంటారు. Structure subject plus will be shall be V4 plus object. I, we, shall be, remaining pronouns will be. So I will be attending my sister's marriage. Next one, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. So I will have attended the public examinations by this time Tomorrow. Oh, this is the future perfect tense example. Clue words: by this time, tomorrow, by this time, next week, by this time, next month. These are clue words comes under future perfect tense. Next one, and the last and final one, future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense means action going to happening in the specific point of time in the future and again ended in some point of time in the future. That is called future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Example: we will have been flying to London by this time tomorrow. So this is the future perfect continuous tense. So I, we, shall have been, remaining pronouns will have been. This is the future perfect continuous tense. 12 tenses short forms. So hope you understand the total tenses class. Future perfect structure: subject plus will have, shall have, be3 plus object. Future perfect continuous structure: subject plus will have been, shall have been, be4 plus object.